Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It is in no way intended to advise or incite you to purchase anything, nor coin, product, or services on any website or platform. We are not financial advisors. Hi, welcome. On today's episode, we will see how to install the beta version of the web browser extension of permission.io. So for that, we'll dive right in. You would have a browser open and click on the link that the permission team would have given you. This link opens the extension for the Chrome Web Store, but which work with Microsoft Edge also. So it's fine. I will click on Add to Chrome, although I'm using Microsoft Edge extension. Click on Add Extension. As you can see here, it's downloading it, checking for viruses. And now I see that the extension has been added. So I will click on it and they will ask me to sign in. Sign in to connect your wallet and activate ASK earn events. So I will sign into my account, sign in. I will put my 2FA. Now I'm logged in. So as I can see here on my wallet, I have 23,200 ASKs. And if I click on my wallet, I will see that I have 19,990 ASK in my wallet and 3,210 pending. So I will click on my extension. Permission has access to this site. I will click on it and it says you are logged in. Please review and accept the permission term of services. Review data policy. So I'm going to click on it. And here I have the terms and services. So your data, your permission. Please read this extensively. Click continue once you're done. And now I see that under my wallets tab, I have no connected wallet. So I will click on import wallet here, either on the button or on this tabulation here. Let's click on the button. So I have different methods of import. I can either import my permission account wallet or I can generate a new wallet. So we'll do both. First, I'm going to generate a new wallet, ask for a nickname. So I will say Microsoft Edge 1, and I will have to put a password for it and create new wallet. Your wallet was successfully added and it gives me the address of my wallet. Now if I go on my wallet, I see that now I have Microsoft Edge 1 with 0 ASKs in it. I will show you now on the import tab how to import your permission account wallet. So you make sure that you checked my permission account. And here it says enter your permission account password to import your wallet. So here you will just tap in the password that you use to log in into your permission account and click on import wallet. And up, your wallet was successfully added. And I can see here that I have my 23,200 ASKs with my pending balance of 3,210 ASK. So I have my two wallets connected to my browser extension. And now as I'm gonna go browse onto internet, when I'll click on the extension, I will see that I will gather some ASKs here. And when I will click on that quick send little envelope flying plane, if I click on it, it will ask me select a wallet. So I will have to choose which wallet I would want to send the ASKs that I would have earned by browsing the web. So choosing the wallet that I want. So this is how you install the browser extension, and now you just browse the web as you will normally do. So thank you so much for watching and we will see you soon. Bye.